unboxing Aquaspeed Submersible Pump A4000.
Hold up.
In the previous video, we unboxed the lower version, A3000. Today, we will unbox a higher version, A4000. Let's open it.
Oh. Cut it first. No. Wow!
Ang galing mo. Be.
Hey! Hey!
Arrange mo yan.
Ano? This one.
These are all the accessories that are inside the box. There are 3 hose connectors and 4 suction cups. You can pick one. It depends on the size you like.
No.
You put this here underneath and you twist it so it will lock. Now we're gonna put it back. We're gonna twist it. There, it's done. These are the specs of the A4000 pump. This pump is 24 watts and 4,000 liters per hour with max height of 3 meters. This pump has flow rate adjustment. As you can see, there is a plus and a minus sign. You can switch it up for higher flow and switch it down for lower flow. Let's try to open the front. See? When you switch it up, the bulb opens. And when you switch it down, it closes. You can replace this one with this. So you can connect this hose connector in front like this. We will take a screenshot of this for more information about the pump. And you can also buy this pump in Lazada or Shopee.
At dyan nagtatapos ang aming video for today. So, don't forget to click like
And subscribe.
and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga bagong videos. Thank you for watching!
Bye-bye!